Hi friends, welcome to Bookbug Storytime. Our story for today is Goodnight, Goodnight Construction Site, Dump Trucks Colors. Written by Sherri, Duskey, Rinker, and Ethan Long. In a new construction yard, dump trucks really working hard. Underneath a bright blue sky, dump truck's bed lifts way up high. Cement mixer is working near, laughing, smiling, full of cheer. Dump truck's gray smoke fills the air. He's running fast, no time to spare. Cement mixer starts to make a street. He pours a load of gray concrete. Dump truck moves brown loads of rock, tons of brown dirt, brick, and block. This job is very serious stuff. Dump truck looks ready, rough and tough. His bed is full, he's off to race, when cement mixer makes a silly face. Now dump truck's laughing as he runs. Cement mixer makes working so much fun. Dump truck's great big tires are black. He hauls black dirt, then comes right back. A red sign says construction zone. Dump truck hauls red landscape stone. Red cement mixer whizzes by to pour his load before it's dry. Dump truck has a yellow bed and yellow lights upon his head. He hauls a load of sand that's yellow. Dump truck is one hard-working fellow. Honk honk. Great green pipes all in a stack are being hauled in dump truck's back. As fluffy purple clouds blow past, the job is nearly done at last. The sky turns orange, the sun sinks low. Orange barricade lights start to glow. Orange safety cones all mark the way. Both trucks are finished for today. White headlights on, both trucks shine bright. As they turn to leave the site, they see white stars, a soft white moon. Good night for now. They'll be back soon. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more stories. Bye, friends.